boy the chicken. Oh, if I get catch. Hold him, hold him, hold him, hold him, hold him, hold him, hold him. I'm in St. Mary, and today we'll be linking up with some of the most ruthless rooster hunters in this area close to Portland. Biggs!
What
you say? Rooster today?
Of course.
Rooster today? Oh, I see the great fish. Oh,
no.
Oh, I gravel them I take up.
What?
So them I use, bro.
Yeah, you know, say. So I can't tell you about someone good, you know.
The great Anthony.
You know what thing,
The great fish killer.
There, bro.
Them man are the sea god.
There, man. There.
And we're in the country today. We're going to eat some good fall. Bro say, I'm going to make sure say we get some nice rooster today.
No, you.
Yo! Yo, it's a vibe.
Them there, I don't tell them there. So when you come, catch them. I thought me tell them so.
Rooster there, I get lower. We see a lot of them. We're touching at the place today, and I tell you, it's crazy amount of rooster we seen at the place. And oh man, we can't wait. It's been a while since we had some wild rooster. This is how we grew up. This is how we grew up in the country areas. I grew up in St. Mary, and most of the nights when we not have nothing of meat kind, because that was on the expensive side, we could have find the flour. Our parents could have find local rice, and you know, ground provisions that we have that galore in the country areas. But when it comes to meat kind, them call it salting. Our grandmother call it salting. Say, yo, we not have no salting, or we not have no salting this evening, and that's the meat they're talking about. And this is how would I go about, would I catch them with strings. But you know, over the years, you know, the youths them develop different kind of strategies and technique to capture these roosters and the ants. Well, them not eat the ants, but the roosters. You know, when them capture them to eat them. Back in the days, we used string. We used the coconut trash. Whenever our parents them finish with the coconut trash, or we buy corn, that dry corn, and we put the string. We make a little card, like we use a little card, and we put the food inside that we make a little circular thing, like, and when them go inside that, we pull that string and we capture the roosters. But different times now, and them youth use spear guns, marble with slingshot, stone with slingshot, and we're gonna get the whole experience in the country here, and we're just gonna eat some food today. Crazy childhood vibes, yes man. Ooh, that catching wing?
Yeah.
Oh, roosters that get hunt. Oh God. Right in the woodland. Right in the woodland. How the being is still I use? Kind of materials.
So, slingshot rubber, you know? Some bicycle tube.
Oh, bicycle tube I use wrap it. Oh, tie it up.
What? The box chop.
Oh, for the bag.
Yeah, brother.
Oh, all of us see. Oh, whoa.
Hey.
Yo. And this guava?
No, it's pimento.
Oh, pimento.
Yeah.
Oh, normally use guava in a long time.
We use guava,
yes.
pimento, guinea.
Oh, guinea.
Yeah,
okay.
straight, you know.
Yeah. Oh, them grow in a
Cook shape.
Oh, okay. Wow, Anthony there and Abusha hunt them. Oh, he might get catch. Hold him, hold him, hold him, hold him, hold him, hold him, hold him. Oh, wow. Yeah, sir.
Yeah, so they stay with that.
Same never stuck while ago.
No, you can shoot them. Them not knock up your wire, then they revive.
Oh, so because I shoot him, oh.
Knock up the camera.
Oh my God. I stun him a while ago. That's why I'm standing up and never. Okay. Yeah, Luna know. Them are chocolate. Yeah man, these are chocolate right here. We're in a chocolate walk right now. You look up in at the top. There's a lot of them. So that one arrive. Yeah. And good. This is it. This is the chocolate. So you can just crack this and just eat the seeds. Yeah, no, so that did not come out. But this is actually pretty good. If you never try this is actually pretty good. We're going to crack it and make you see the inside and so it actually look. And there are tons of them here. Look.
It's not good, man. So it want to start grow.
Oh, the one that start grow up on the inside.
Yes, I'm boy.
Oh yeah, that is it right there. That is it right there.
You see it now.
No. No, you didn't fall enough.
Try.
You see it, boy. You see it.
Oh yeah. This is the seed right here. Sweet. So this is your look caramel. You see look creamy. This is seed right here. Look. yeah. Seeds actually it have it actually have a creamy texture. Even the white, you can see that white silky vibe where it pull up. Go and eat some of the seed right now.
Yo.
Yeah man, in country can't say I eat seed, you know, but you know yard life. Where I suck off some of them things right now.
Boy. Yo.
Oh yeah. It's nice. Nice. And the process, how they make the chocolate, them dry it first.
Them dry and beat it.
Yeah, them dry it, put it on zinc, make it dry, and then them beat that. Yeah, parch it. Amazing. And this is the original chocolate from Jamaica. We have tons of these out here. Right in a yard. Crazy, but. I have a whole heap of them on the tree, whole heap of ripe one, whole heap of young one, whole heap of green one. And of course, you want to spit out that seed. Not supposed to swallow that.
You able chocolate tea, boy?
Original chocolate tea.
Bonus, boy?
Yeah, hot.
Hot.
Hot. Yeah, man.
How do you make any tea with an eye on top?
Yeah, the oil up on the top. I eat money. Yo, man, I tell you, chocolate tea, especially, I know Jamaicans, especially in the Christmas time, you know, you see a lot of chocolate in the area, a lot of chocolate tea, especially on holidays. You see me back in the old time days. But now, you know, people drink that like on a regular. But back in the days, them it's like the holidays, Christmas time, you see a lot of chocolate teas. Your grandmother they make a whole heap of chocolate tea there for drink. So them are the aftermath of the rat bites. You see pure holes in them. You look on them go all about. See a whole heap of them. See a lot of it's a fresh rat bite. Fresh rat bite. So definitely have to be careful when you have to look for them because you know why you know a rat bite. See one right here. Could check it to see. This one is firm. Yeah man, that one is firm and nice. Go and get this one.
The country life, you know.
Yeah man.
Attract the people so stop unfold now. I search every tree. So well better. You know.
That's very real. Yeah, them a come back to no. Me a big see me. Oh man, hunting roosters. Yo, hunting roosters. It's not as easy as it seems because them wild, you have to run them down. I go on, I wanna get way.
Nah, you big man.
Him big?
Yeah, that's why.
How big man can get way?
Big a killer.
Yeah.
Young. Nah, it's
Oh my god. Yo.
nice, boy.
Nah, yeah, that one was a nice one.
Yeah, man. The reason I kill them because I'm a farming thing. Come on here, farming and the first thing I work. When I plant some crop, for them eat them out, you know.
Yeah.
For them young.
True.
So, you have to try. Why you want to put them out I farm when I eat them nice. Eat up your car,
Yeah. So someone that lives on this land actually just told us that he would actually love if we could have captured few of these big ones, 5 or 2, because they're actually eating out his crops. You understand? His young crops. They're actually eating out his young crops. So there are tons of them here, and he wouldn't mind if we could actually get at least 2 of them. So the hunting don't stop. We're still on the hunt. See if we can capture at least 1 or 2. Yeah.
So when I want to follow them now, people, like road, they're nice now. So I'm going to bush now, they start making nice and just catch one corner.
So them go in the bush, go. Oh, get silent.
Yeah.
But them there, yeah, come here, hear them, you know.
Man, come back here. Yo, man, you know, I'm on that phone, road boy.
I'm more than. How does it do this?
This over there.
More than dozen. And I be a rooster.
And then fat. Big fella and group of all mix. You know, a group of fowl.
We say fire that group of miss. Bigs. Bigs.
What? You see him? Come on, sir. Shut off your gun. Shut him. I take the first of my thing in the same place now. You want some shot, you know?
Run out of runs.
Yeah, shot them low, they fall they tough.
Say fall them tough.
Big school, say you shot about cheap.
Cause a couple of them well connect.
Yeah, them say, oh, they're scared of that, then not dead, you know, them revive back. And the head, and cause I shake after revive back. God.
Mina say. So we just get more confirmation from someone again that the fowl is the roosters inside of them yard who can actually get roosters. So we have to try again. See me. Yeah, you gotta run that so. William! See me. Oh, go on. Crazy hunting. Okay, so what you going to say?
Right now, you're gonna fire.
You still have all for runs.
But you're not kill.
You're blank.
No, man, I lick them.
It a lick them, but are them tough.
Them for like eat pop chow them thing, you know.
Yeah, them eat a lot of pop chow, so them healthy. Firm.
And the regular for them.
Still have help in the woodland there. I search out because one day close by. I know I'm not going too far. It's them size are the real deal.
Yeah, brother, it's don't big some more. So you're licking at it. I'm licking for brother. I'm broken wing. I say when stay. First one shot, say when stay.
And him still take care of himself.
Broke car.
I know.
Licking at it, they come to wash.
Shake it up and gone.
Tough, brother.
Now you see already catch up over the stuff.
Hold him!
can't give me gun because I'm a killer. You can't give me gun, you might gun.
Yeah. That's one right there. I think they're hunting one more. I want to know how much more seat there. Is that the fall list? Yeah. Eh? One more again. Yo.
Fancy.
Hunter. Oh yeah. Oh, boy, yeah.
Yeah, man, you know.
Oh yeah.
You're going to give me gun, no trouble.
Oh God, man.
Once I that good, I want one more.
One more, man.
Go back up, go back up, go back up. Yeah, stay there, sir. You stay there, sir. You stay there, sir. No, sir. You know, sir, them tongue have saw. Yeah, man, them tongue have saw upon it, you know. So they saw out the tree now.
One shot, man.
Afraid to take him out. Keep out your blow, you know.
Yes, he grip them.
Right, to it find it, not even a zoom, I tell you, not even catch it, but yo, yeah man, that's the tongue of a woodpecker. Yeah man, crazy hunting, but I don't know the vibe. We have to eat. That was a woodpecker just now, and we have 2 fowl already, 2 roosters. We'll probably just go cook right now. Yo, them squirrel, man.
It's one a fight fall.
So we are officially on the river now. Just probably like a minute. Just a minute walk, just a few seconds. The house is over there. And we just capture 2 roosters, 2 wild roosters and see Great Antonia. It's not the fish killer, but today I'm bird killer.
It's gonna be able to give me gun. Whole day, I'm going to come see and give me gun. Why did they give me the gun? Why? They gotta die. Bam!
Crazy vibes. Now we're on the river and the fowls going to get clean up.
Okay, so really punch there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, I can show now one right on the river.
Okay, so you punch now. Yeah. How's it, boy?
Nothing afraid to do.
That's it.
What?
Justin.
What, Justin? What? Yo, catch me on me now first.
That's a real country vibe. But the chicken, we're going to get the chickens clean up right now on the river. And we're going to get the chickens clean up right now so them can go season up and go right into the pot. And we're eating that with dumpling today. You know the real, authentic Jamaican vibe. Yes, man. So we're reliving that childhood country vibe right here on the river in St. Mary. And we have two wild roosters right there. I get cleaned up. We have a woodpecker right here. I get cleaned up also. But those wild roosters, we're going to season those and we're going to eat those. Oh man, it was an amazing adventure just hunting these roosters down. The whole heap are running up and down, but I don't know the vibe. Yes man, we're there in the country and we're going to eat good food. Yes man, wild food. A Janga killer.
Everything, man. They're country hungry. Hey!
Yeah, go hungry man, I'm gone. I said this is the original fireside.
Yeah, man, so fireside, man. For all the 8 years old,
Nice one, Zaza.
Let's leave it.
Oh God. Whoa. Whoa. I say this if you like it tough.
Why? Peace, you know?
Yeah.
I can't too.
Zai. I'm saying chicken tough, you know.
The command for?
Man fall style. Pressure him in the evening up on the riverside. That's the vibe. Just get one at up.
Yeah, I see this. I see him catching.
Nice jack, man. Oh. Rich. Yeah, man. Well means up. This is the wild rooster. Oh.
Nice.
Nice.
Two of them. Holy.
Nice.
Tap, man. Let's bait.
This right here is a freshly caught jack. Also freshly caught jack all season. And this I got on fire today. So the fire catch up over this blaze. And right now the meat right over there. So that going on the fire right now. On the floor. You want to eat flour. That's the vibe. Another day up on the river. Yes, man.
I need, you know, the stars, you know.
You do cauliflower already?
So that, yeah, man.
That's yeah, one wine.
Fire that.
Yeah.
So I'm water, brother.
Let's do it. Shade me for like 3 pounds of them. We'll be getting them, can see?
Fire, I hear fault still in it. You see me?
Let's outside the man. You want to bring more meat? Yeah, right the floor, my friend. Right the floor. One thing, man. Strength. Every day we have feed but you're not the floor by the pot, man. Strength on the floor. That's the water.
It's a few fish bigs.
I think you take more gun to do this, boy. Yes, sir. How much? Pound boy fish.
When they're a country, yeah, everything you know we want all the time. So just use we have. Right, we don't have back a pan on them.
Just
like
utilize.
Yeah. Hey, patch this. Already?
Pot coming on, you know? What the mixture nice? I'm so going
No,
like.
we can't tell you, man. Come on, dude!
Come see night.
Can't show you where we can't
Can't
tell
show
you.
them, but you can't tell me.
Yeah, man.
At the Zion mix of this.
Lion heart! Right. Yeah, man, this brother. Anything at all, man.
Anything. Any meat at all.
Anything, man. A trouble. You want it? So you want to look from boy, you know?
Max, what's the hell in this? Heavy.
That's the flour dough right there. Ready for some water and salt you know. And I'm gone.
Guys, man, come on. Let's put it on my dog.
Yes, I'm ready for fire.
Hey, guys.
Hot pepper.
Why are they?
Oh my god. Another batch, Zion.
Hey, you know.
Another batch getting seasoned up. So you not give people a mixture.
Not right now.
Cause remember you know Colonel keep filming us so.
Yeah, keep mine too.
Yeah.
I'm like, come on.
So nothing wrong if you keep yours, you know.
I'm on see them simple, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you have to
Them simple but effective.
yeah. But I see a boy outside of me.
Oh, the woodpecker this?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm salt him, well salt.
I can him.
You can't give me none.
Nah, give me.
You can't give me none.
Oh, them not give none, that's why I can it.
Them I can't see, you know what I mean?
Yeah, gizzard that.
Yeah. And you're hot.
Oh yeah, that's the art.
I don't know. That's me. Chubby man, you know. Them are bad and roast now, you
Yeah, the gizzard.
know.
Wicked.
Them well salt, you know, because they're not frying. Them I cook, them I get more steam on them, you know.
Ground season.
Yes, and this cook here when it's cooked down. We shall go and fry them for now first. Max, you bread now. You have to come put it to your bread.
I just want to put in everything one time, you know. Everything one time, brother.
Yeah. Put the pot on firm.
Remember say water will move with the pot of money.
You have to hold it firm, kid. Hold it firm, boy. Dim to thing, man. Hold it down. That's one thing,
Yeah, boy.
Sorry, come to me. Chef Bob's in the man.
Babsy.
Look at that. Drop on that.
Now I'm advertising.
Advertising.
You want to go viral for YouTube so them boy will see it quicker. Then now why does he want?
You pass the cook. That over. Medium.
So Zai, you have to fix this stone and put it in there. Yeah, work with this.
What for the boy stone?
Yo, just tap in eyes, brother.
Tap.
You say no. I never tell us I don't know how to cook. I just know cook with browning. There's a big difference.
Say browning, listen, yes, no.
First you say I don't know how to cook. You think I don't hear you? No, man, that when you sit in my feelings, you want to turn for me now for me going on my feelings. He can't happy now, you know.
Man, not on fire.
No, I mean, no, take out that bacon in your hand.
So some to beat all the pot with the film brand.
Alright, it smells good, you know. Yes, man, it's steam. Boy, I tell you, it's steam. It's steam. Yeah, man, it's steam. It's steam. I bring, man. Oh, God. Why that smell good? What that's like?
There, man, I know where they are. Back a real go from today. Understand? There, the bad chef them. They want to wear for. I give you more starting. I'm not chef.
Yo, man, tell you, what a chicken that smell good. Man before my birthday. I tell you, it's a vibe here. Crazy vibe. Wild rooster.
Really country, you know?
Yeah, man.
See you them? Yeah, I grew them now. And I don't do the filing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like in Africa,
Yeah.
the teeth them beat up.
Yeah, man.
You know the vibe, all of them beat them.
I get beaten. If them doing a ranks. This is the great Zion, you know? Anthony Spearfishing. Make sure to check out him channel. Crazy vibes over there. Yes, man. I won't be disappointed. I can't wait to dive down in some of this food. Dumpling over there, so. Chicken right there, so. Vibes, yeah, man. That big man. That big man. Whoa. Yeah, that big, you know. We have the flour. I go on the right there, so now. And we have some chicken I go on over here, so. Zion, how the gizzard are going?
Wait. Why? Yeah. My name is Lionel.
That's the gizzard right there. So this is a piece of the gizzard right here. A piece of the chicken gizzard. We have a great big right there, so I load up the flour pot and the chicken over there, so I bubble down on the fire. And it's a piece of the chicken gizzard. Oh, this one more cooking, but the flavor we have pop out of this. Glenn, how can I season that, bro?
80 man. Mad.
Yeah, give me a little to bring in.
No?
Wow,
Where's spoon? Give me a spoon.
amazing.
Look up there for fast.
Yeah, country. Yeah, flavor now. Where's it?
Oh, you know, water cold.
So no, the other way now. Give man in sherry. Give man in sherry. Give man in sherry. Give man, are you ready to come out?
Boy, I know the flavor. The flavor kick. Yo, that flavor is amazing. Yeah, man. But that one more cooking. Because when I know this is a wild rooster. And that take a while to cook. That meat is extra tough. Extra rich, but extra tough. So that needs extra cooking, extra fire. Yeah, man. What you say? Ready for some flour? Hungry? This is the vibe right here.
Teach me side bone tonight. You see that?
Yeah, this a come down nice. It's
Take
a
him
piece
up,
of the breast. Yeah, man. This is a piece of the breast. So I can see if the texture is any different from the gizzard. Yo, the flavor wicked, man, but it's one cooking. Yo. Yo, the flavor is just amazing. Yeah, man, you want to cook. But it's nice, but it's nice. It's tough, but it's nice. Wow.
Which bag is it? Island. Looking at that thing, I'm passing.
I get dog that much.
Are you when I see it fast? Is that what island? Put in a flower pot. Guy no man. Looking at black bag, man.
Na front title, the camera screen.
Easy.
Push it down more. Where two stick them when you go on?
Fish too big. You know Jack catch? Me alone out of sea nice on the yacht.
Nice jack on the side. Eh?
Eat like kitchen yacht. See that boy, man? One song good.
So you want to put a bubble?
You can cut that. Yeah.
Wow. What is, brother?
Yeah, wheel man. I'm going on my plate. That's my plate.
That are going on your plate.
What do you mean all of them?
No boy around that one, man.
No boy around to man. We have the biggest cartoon floor.
Eh?
We have the biggest cartoon floor.
Yeah.
Right now that's supposed to be big like a plate, you know?
Bigger. That can't hold my plate.
Can't hold like plate.
Upon my plate it a go. Is it? Let's make that one cook down and steam.
Fast, you know?
Yeah. Wow.
As you can see.
Yeah, man, it's my bubble up now.
Be a rooster.
Be a coffee knife, what?
What?
Yeah.
So I won't know about it. So I won't know about it. That's a cock.
No.
No, where you are eat?
Where you are eat?
Chicken.
Oh. So you talk but.
So I won't go catch. No cock no go catch.
No.
Me never did it, so you can't say me.
Rooster, bro.
Cock you go catch one.
No, they would go, man.
Cyanites.
There, man, I know.
Yes, I.
So the real life. Same for it?
Yeah, man.
Same for West and man for you.
See, I see them, man, them
Why
big,
them want all of it?
When
huge.
they are country, they might real authentic like that, you know.
Yeah. True,
Some
true.
kids, some fall today.
Yeah.
Boil some flour, some brown stew,
Yeah.
come and fall and use them and enjoy themselves.
Yeah, man.
A good vibe for the holiday.
That's a vibe. That's a vibe.
No, not holiday problem. Like you watch it.
Oh,
You
wow.
think I joke?
Big.
Another rest of their feet, man.
You see this boy? Go down and house still. Big up on yourself.
Yeah, go. Like, you lick out.
I feel like this one roast man.
Oh, roast some more. Soak him some more.
Don't get so active, you know. But yeah, me go.
Yeah.
But when me I go put it up in the bono.
Yeah. Respect. This is the roast jack. Yeah, man. Yo, the smoke is blazing. We have the two pots some bubble on over there, so Zion over there, so one girl is over there, and this. This is the jack for well seasoned and roast down. And of course, that's the same season that Zion used for the chicken, and him not give you the recipe. Him not give you the secret. Him not give you the secret. Yo, that mixture of seasoning him use, wicked. Wow. Can't wait to dive down into some of that chicken. Some of them flour, they're big.
So you all live?
Like your man, you know.
Long time let's plot over here. Boy, I tell. Nice skin well seasoned. Shot fire.
All of this stuff for the chicken pot. That's great mix right here with the Irish, the carrot, the scallion, and the onion, piece of thyme, garlic. That's the vibe. Great Max. Max there. On the riverbank. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Don't make a wash off.
Yeah, man. Oh, more pepper going there too.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Pepper going on.
more pepper.
Don't have anyone that watches that video.
Put on again now. Baca dia buat 20 dan kurang.
Yeah.
Water eh. Kita betul.
This is the vibe.
SDL lagi.
Yeah.
Muntah aku.
Oh yeah. Can see the sheen on it. That is straight from the fall itself. Wicked. No fat, not upon them. Yo, the meat are rich. Yo, that gravy, how wicked. Wow. Boy, I can't wait to clap down some of this, man. I like. Yo, that seasoning, they're wicked. And that them fall are healthy. You see the reddish color of the meat. That's how you know that fall is well healthy. That's different from the white chickens that we eat. Real healthy roosters. Yeah, man.
The meat, if I come and fall, look red.
Yeah.
You know that well healthy.
Well healthy, yeah, man. Red meat.
Red of all them look white.
Yeah. True. There's a big in the meat pot. All of them here go.
Everything.
Wow.
Yo, Justin, do one of them bag juice.
Don't throw it off one.
In a brown bag.
Rank. Oh God.
Zaya, this one alone, that's all?
So, just a ring.
Yeah.
You can't force me to hear that.
So,
This is consisted of onion, carrot, pepper.
yeah.
Oh, see the whole of carrot are going there. Irish.
I like.
We gonna give the body. Ginger. Wow, garlic. Yo, that pepper there ring.
Yo, we want to get this in there for about pepper ring.
Yeah man. Ring man.
Like this one, you know, the people talk about it.
What you got, mackerel?
This is going to be a good wild rooster eat. Yeah man. Boy, that smoke is terrifying. See all of them mixture gone in the pot right now, the skelly and the thyme, the Irish, all of them goodness to get the body and extra flavor. And also more pepper. We have one more pepper here, so we're gonna try to eat this with the chicken itself. Crazy vibes. You know, the riverside there. Ready for some food? Yeah man, them flour here done a long time.
Wheel.
Yeah, amazing.
Oh, God,
Up on
man.
that. Wow.
I have to chew it up. When too much air on the pot take longer to cook, so just lock on the eye.
You see it?
Yeah, tell them little boy I say, when too much air on the pot will take longer to cook.
Oh.
So just lock on the eye or just stay far from now.
You know.
Till we don't eat and wash up the pot.
Yeah. There no rooster.
Oh God.
That is in camera for pool floor.
Them man charge them man get them all and chill us. Ketchup or killing a chance.
Flavor him up. We are Jamaican and it can't be brown stew if you don't put ketchup in it.
Yeah, you are telling
I say we are not authentic Jamaican. Ketchup if you go in a brown
They
stew.
know now.
No sir, if ketchup going a brown stew and a brown stew that person.
Our
Home style chicken that.
home style. Well, we can call it still
Ketchup
now.
chicken.
That we know what we just did. Ketchup going a brown
See,
stew.
come, you see, get chicken, no?
And all this of it, yeah, that about lock off like say, oh, I just store.
A real lock.
Take out the stick them, I'll turn it on down, you know.
Great chef over there, someone watch him on man.
Why? Yo, come over on this time, I'm not doing no foolishness, sir. Oh, yeah,
I'm gonna taste it.
This is it.
Come.
Give me.
Oh wow.
Give me that now.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Trina?
This ready.
Ready?
It's ready.
No, but we take off.
Wow. It's ready. Yes man.
What's up? What's up?
Hold on, no.
Yo, pause, this.
Oh wow.
I mean, say, can't feel proud.
Cartwheel vibes. Now, the pots them ready. Taking them off right now. And we're gonna eat some dumpling and some rooster, wild rooster. And you see the kids them here is just an amazing feeling to know say yo them can dare too, because we used to do this as a child. Crazy vibes, enough nights when we not have no meat. We have to lick down the rooster, we have to catch a rooster with string just to have meat in our plate. And see that youth some there with it. And the pots them off right about now. We're gonna eat some food. Yeah, man. This is it. Yeah man, that good for me man. Yeah man. Yeah man, this good for me.
Yo, holy. Hot. Then you think of boy.
Some gravy upon it.
Made it.
Yo, take
man.
a plate now, man.
Drop some gravy upon it.
Give
That's it, man. Yeah man.
Give man some more for brother. Give man dump out too.
Hold it there, right?
Yes,
Hold it.
man.
Wait, don't have to go in here, play cup.
Wait. Big time.
Good. Yo, that hard. Yes, man. This is it right here. Yo, this is hot. This team. I come off of this. See the food them there share out right there, so. This is mine right here. Amazing vibe. Right now it's a dust down, but you know it's a vibe on the river. Look on that. Yeah, man. Wow. Amazing. Amazing countryside vibe. The river is right behind me. Right now, the youths them are eat. Let's look on this. That's the vibe. More food I share out around there, and it's just a crazy vibe where I feel like it was necessary to share with my audience. It's just crazy. This we have a pepper right here, so this is what we've been doing from young, and to see we can pull up on the river, get some fall, get some wild roosters, and can do this again. It's just amazing. Look on this. Wow. Go in at this flower. First thing first, this flower is huge. These flowers are huge. Look on them flower, yeah, man. Look on them flower, yeah, man. You can hide your face behind them flower, yeah. Oh, wow. We gotta go down in this right now. Go down in some of this flower. Oh, wow. Oh, God. Look on this, man. Yes, man, we have a pepper on the side. Scotchy vibes. Yes, man. Hot. Oh, wow. The gravy has stink. And we have more pepper on the side. But, you know, still I go buy it tonight.
Really?
Yes, man. Still I go buy it tonight, this hot pepper, even though the gravy is stinging. No, we have to test out this chicken because normally these chicken, the older they get, the tougher it is to cook. And these roosters what we catch, I think them rooster, yeah, if I not lie, them all. So these are not some young roosters, so you know the meat are more on the tougher side. But cooking it on that wood fire, we can we see the fork actually have bored through this. Let's look on that. Just easy, no pressure. So I could go in at this and taste it. Yo, what me tell you, say this flavor is kicking and that texture is amazing also. Just look how the fork I bored through this. Yo, it's not tough, bro. Yo. When I tell you the flavor kick, flavor is kicking, and we have a piece of this Irish right here. It's an Irish right here. Flavor kick. We have a piece Irish right here. Well, 2 pieces of Irish. Stuff on this. It's just Irish. With the skin. Flavor. And pure gravy. Food swimming in the gravy. And also this pepper. And you know the vibe. Oh wow. Get piece of that flour same time. Piece of this chicken same time. Yo, see Antonia pull up. This is the vibe. This is what we give them. Stay there. Pepper. Go into that piece of the chicken.
Chicken soft when I do.
And a piece of that flour. Flavor. Oh. These dumplings are huge. Oh God. I've all hiccup. What the flavor kick, the pepper kick. This is the vibe. Might have to switch camera. I think this battery are dead right now. But you don't know the vibe. Oh, got some have a juice right here. Bag juice. On the riverside, you can't go wrong. Oh yeah. Wow, this food nice until. Can't even tell you how nice this is. Flavor out of this world. We don't know the vibe. We're going to shell down this on the riverside here. Open a appreciation of this amazing outdoor catch clean cook vibe. Wow, I think this is the first catch clean cook on the channel. Wow. Stay tuned for more food vibes. Yard life's good. Yeah, man.
No, if I. What again?
We get better.
Yan. We could give money. Keep booming.
Oh, wow. Amazing vibes.
Media, man, come on, guys.
Great Zion.
Never consume last, you know.
Amazing vibes, bro.
Yeah, I love it.
Crazy. Wicked,
So,
bro.
I'm like, when you come a country, you enjoy yourself.
Yes, bro.
Look on.
That's a vibe.
See your food come back.
Great Bigs.
Look
Everybody.
on big floor.
Oh, God. The other flower, you take up the whole of the pot cover.
Appreciate
Max General. Yo, you're run on fall today, no, bro. Wicked vibes, man. See that? Crazy. Yeah, man. Freshly catch rooster right here in St. Mary. Freshly catch rooster. Well seasoned down, well cooked on the river. Ghana Road. Wow. Zion.
Very nice.
Wow.
Bad man, bad.
Wicked.
See the sauce, you?
Amazing vibe. That's Anthony right there. Please do check out his channel and Anthony Spear Fishing JA. Wicked adventures over from film channel. You won't be disappointed. Crazy vibes from river in the woodlands, crazy huntings, and just overall crazy Jamaican vibe. Yeah, man. I don't know the vibe. Subscribe. Like. We in the woods. The food journey continues. Yeah, man.